Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a digital print release. It's been a minute. We did take a little bit of a hiatus. Took some vacation time, but today I have some new digital prints. Oh, some flowers, and these are like daisy inspired, but of course we're not just going to do them in the daisy colors, which is, white and yellow, is it? No, we're going to do them all in our exclusive colors. So we have, this is the 2-inch. Now I have to say, the other ones I'm going to show you, you can use a punch. We figure that this size is big enough that it's easy enough to cut out, but I checked it out yesterday and maybe not every single one you could punch out, but maybe every second one, maybe every one. Let me see. Let's put that in there. And then the test would be like on this side. But see, there's a lot there, so I can't get in there. So let's do this one, because if it fits here, it should fit over there too. Okay, so I guess these are punchables too. So you can punch these with a 2-inch punch. And the other ones I'll show you later, then they have different size of punches. But that's our, what we consider our 2-inch flower, and that's in the blue. And this is the exclusive, oh no, that's the turquoise. I always have to put them next to each other. If you see, this is the turquoise, totally towards the blue, and this is the mint, totally towards the green. But if I see them separately, I have a, harder time. Is that more towards the blue, or is it more towards the green? But it's definitely towards the blue, towards the green. But that's our turquoise. So this one you can get. The mint is in exclusive colors for my patrons. And so every shade that we do, we make sure to make a mint color. And then they get free digital files every month. And I make sure to include some of these. Okay, so this is light gray. This is green. This is dark gray. And this is more yellow. And I'll show you the difference between, no, see, again, the two of them, I almost have to have them side by side. This is the regular yellow. It's more muted. And this is the more yellow, and it's more like a sunshine yellow. Somebody had suggested that we called it sunshine yellow, and we probably should have. But we had already named it at that point. So, so the muted yellow, and then the brighter yellow. And then you got the bright orange. And then you have the brown. And then you have red. So you have in the center, every flower is the same. The center is the light of that color. And then you have the middle and then the dark in the back to give it some shading. And then you have the purple. And then we have pink. And then you have peach. And then you have orange. Now, when you buy a bundle, so you would get all these colors. When you accept the mint, when you buy the bundle, you get the sketchy flower for free. So this, and then you could color it in whatever color you want. So this comes free with the bundles. And the bundles, we decided to leave them at 50% off. So the bundles are 50% off, plus you have the sketchy whenever it applies. Now, yay, these are ready too. So these have 3, we call these the punchables. They have 3 different sizes on them. And when the size that I tell you, that's the size of punch that you need, not necessarily the size of the flower, because we had to make the flower that it fit inside that punch. So the first one is the 1.5 inch punch. So when you punch it, you can make it so that the flowers smack dab in the middle. So if you don't like to fussy cut, this is an option. You can punch them out. And then the one in the middle is the 1.25 punch that you need to use. Just like that. And then the one at the very, very bottom is the 1 inch. You'll see this punch here doesn't go in very in deep because of the punch it is, the type of punch it is, but this one will. So the 1 inch punch. There we go. So those are the, I guess all 4, you can punch them out if you want. Okay, so this is the muted yellow, so our first yellow. And then you have the purple. And then you have the more yellow. Again, the difference in color, more yellow. Then you have the orange. Then you have green. Then you have light gray. Then you have red. Then you have peach. Okay, I think this is turquoise. Yes, I was right. This is turquoise. And this is the exclusive mint. And then we have pink. And then we have brown. We have dark gray. And then we have blue. And then we have peach. And then we have the sketchy flowers. So those 2 are, everything in our store is available as a single sheet or as a bundle. And the bundles are 50% off. And, you know, the flowers and the books, there's a few of them that you end up with a sketchy free file so that you can color them in yourself. Another thing, since I went on vacation, is this is another thing that was released. I didn't print them all because there were so many to print this time, but we now have the squares with the journaling grid. So basically the colors are in the grid, and then so that's the speech bubbles that you can use as journaling. Now each file, so let's say the blue, you'll have the speech bubble that'll go this way and the speech bubble that'll go this way. So you have 2 files in for the price of 1. So they come in all our exclusive colors. But that's it. That is our release for this week. And if you're interested, you can go to NicoleJones911.com, go to class/store, embellishments, and they are all there. Everything is divided. You know, when you go into embellishments, you can go and click, you know, just if you want flowers, then you'll have flowers from 1 to 5 in that file, or viewfinders, or, you know, whatever it is that you're looking for. There's fonts, all kinds of different digital files. But that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.